Na senke na eyo obi anka nyame ya. But those days na me nom George no. Once me come no me nom George na me jai. Those days na me nom George no. Me no tena ase. Me ba ko na ma bo me George. So you there. So me and you we are on that level. What I say, we ye nua penny me ye wo nua ketewa. Ntie ni you. From 2017 besin there. We me yen brief. Me to me friend oba ba me fie na my friend say bedi. You see, show me respect, I'll show you respect. What I say? When you show me respect, I'll show you respect. Who be shia me wo ho no? Asema obe kan say, wo na wo tata aban no. Tio, so ba kan be shia me Roman radio best mark no. Wo na wo tata aban na wo kan abuni asensu kan government appointees one asem so mo ye corrupt ne. Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no. Your man bi so anko mo ekun dadaada.
When you want to fight corruption, the system will fight you. And me, I am ready to fight the system. That is why I JB Fabi na no tu ahene, no si ahene. Me we are rougher, me too.
Odogu.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH members. I'm subscribe here to Mpana on Sakabi. Captain Smart. Also, no, obey me fight the system, no. You see, corruption in Ghana is the system. The whole system is corrupt. Until we will be our banner, so we're fighting corruption. You are fighting against the existence of Ghana. You go take Captain Smart, Imra.
When you want to fight corruption, the system will fight you. And me, I am ready to fight the system. That is why I JB Fabi na no tu ahene, no si ahene. Me we are rougher, me too.
Odogu.
We are rougher, me too. And it's about time a Ghana for you there say enye NPP and enye NDC. Enye NPP and enye NDC. Look, say yedum kanea. Na fanse yedum odododio kanea say NPP parliamentary candidate wo ho. So no kanea bedum. Kanea no ni NPP. Kanea no ni NDC. Meanwhile, your friend say afenyo markets say aban ni nya da bi nya afenyo markets sam wo mo energy minister bi na okodo za kwa your friend say deben ya
I have
clap house then or say aban no problem bi ani ho na onye bema na aban ni face problem rubbish and useless.
Open another that was
rubbish and useless. Say at Kroma. Huh? Aban we have boka over $2 billion na egu actually. Bibia ofri. Akufado ene ne ken oforiata. Etimi a raise bonds nko anya bese on bonds ne nko 13.3 billion 13.5 billion dollars. 13.5 billion. Ken oforiata ni akufado. Entimi anti 2 billion. Ene kakra bi eda so. Granted 3 billion. Entimi anti 3 na that 13 no so. Enkotweka emfie nwotwe Akufo-Addo bedi president Nkrumah wentua gas kada ofri. Now it was a we MPP ni fa Jimmy free me TV ni so. 3 years wentua gas kada. 3 years fuel ani e kogum kutukutukutu dia wo so kane wo fie na ye free. Senyesa Mahama nim nyansa chen na nado a ke de sumu sesi ame no kasai. I'm telling you today.
What's it?
Me say Nyesa Mahama nim nyansa chen na nado a ke de sumu. And Mahama said that, no, I'm not interested in say, where I say, we'll keep the lights on. This is Nyansania, me to Abamano. And I am proud of myself. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Me to Obama pe be president. When I vote against you, you are going to opposition. Next time we share me utokrum baby a wo hu se mani na ye ko won kasa ye kanea. Mam sama ka chempe da Ghana for be who I am. Na me te banchwa na me di makokora na me te hodi na me hwemo na me sere.
Now osa sisifi ani bi.
Na me hwemo di, you guys don't know me.
Oh mesre.
Mafia. Akufado oko petrol a yedigu aeroplane wenja 1 gallon. Gallon wenja bi gallon. Aviation fuel no be ni koto.
Gallon dey was you say gallon dey.
Gallon say gallon. Akufado wenja 1 gallon.
Gallon dey na can you say?
That be gallon.
You say.
Wenja bi Nana wenja 1 gallon. I told you. Rollins eja bosumi miensa. Kufuor eja bosumi miensa. Mohammed jana na do bosumi nsia fuel. Akufado okono. O giant 3 hours. Enrubo ebinim say 5 hours. Granted. Hold on, meba. Fuel o giant no. I came here to tell you. Senyesa Mahama nimi nyansa chen Akufado a. Anka fuel eni Ghana keye nya binto. Ye Kenyans asama wadwa say a political party. Who ye people ni Germany? Nonsense. Time na ye bu ye voter regia catch abo. Ye nam srem a ye bu ye krobi o don't know. If I say na rugu o say na rugu. Eboa
Okoye de o.
O say
Okoye de.
Me koye campaign na me kufo.
E na ye de.
NPPT.
E na ye de.
Bo mu bu he no.
O ye de bo.
Na bag bo machi.
Kasa. Okoye de.
Bag bo machi.
Okoye de.
Yeah. One so muna ye be a bag mu na say. How did these things get into your bag?
What is that thing?
You are nonsense. Nonsense. Where people need to Huh? Where people need to me say Bisa Akufado, I saved his life twice. Otia say Rebecca kura nim. Then also they being kada.
Okay, so time I know Kasana.
I na make no. Captain Sm0ked. Also one know what me and the aban but what me bogu ipa baako. How he does it I don't know. But somebody needs to speak up. And it's not about NDC MPP. We all need to speak up. Say John Mahama obetimi asosidi a ejina mene wo so ejina mene wo mwa ye de be bua John Mahama. He is one person. We are all part of the governance. Don't stand on the fence to say you're standing on the fence. NDC about me MPP me nya obua eyomai. So what nya Ghana SCA now John say NDC na ba. Me pacho utuka na ko filling station adu a e bi say so MPP and as NDC. Answer me. Did I ask you? Uko restaurant your NDC table. So it's about mother Ghana. Ghana diya mediyi. John Mahama ba, let's help him. Ni ayetimi anyama Akufado asabe. Konfo bi antimi anka no crunch na Akufado fail no. Maye ma John Mahama fail. Enu ana medwedwe ho. Me say John Mahama fail a Ghana is doomed forever. You know why? Or just 4 years mandate. Waba hoda. On in the problems, on in system, no. What next? He has seen it all. It is a John Mahama to me and fix a problem now. Ghana we should forget. And nothing na imperatives. Some me know you about what John Mahama. Not John Mahama etinye di. When di ye ni atiache, ni asi ye hwe, na bibia ye yi corruption no, it goes beyond John Mahama. Your police mu corrupt, your doctor, you baby corruption is there. But it takes people who are ready. Say enough. Like me and you. Don't just stand on the Friends, I say that I'm NDC. I don't care about your NDC. And I don't care about your MPP. I care about you helping the president of Ghana, not John Mahama, who is not the president of NDC or your president of Ghana. People are trying that video. A plus, Honorable Okasadodo. Why Honorable Okasadodo? Young Korean.
Now saying when them of them me almost me did this if I can't tell me and Crawford can na kwame se fa kan. He's a foolish man. Tienye. Enye Dana post na me ye no na ye issue no sa da no na bibie nsi ye. Ma bona to ho since 2017. Me say obi en so wo ya ade a memfa deadline to ho. Why ade ma ye din man kasa. Meba asama me ka main issue ntia be live video meba so. Me ma mo preamble bi. So wo ya ade a na se me man respond ya memfa nse otrim se me twa so. Asem na ade na wo ye no deadline ni ho me be respond you make me respond 5 years later. Na me wo ye ma de a meye wu bi. Meye will be in one way or the other. Meye will be Ghana for pesa suban no meye wade a menim sa de na meye na yo ba ye din na me fan ye wo no bi anka so ye ni papa me ye ni pa bonini me ye ni papa Kwame Sefa kan way back 2016 obi anti asem na me kan yi na ye wadanfo bi owo apetition ba bi wo Roman Rage munim Asmera, we do Asmera. We be Tennessee. Roman Rage shopping at Kenya. We Tennessee and we do Asmera. Straight road in the mountain. We straighter left her. I say, oh my block be or. They were down for be Bismarck or petition by Bishop. If we are only a coffee appetite near the Asmera. What I say? Metiwa na sifa kan by. Or be bought ne yacht nensa. Metiwa no by. Nothing can na eyo obi an kan yame ya. But those days na me nom jot no. Once me come no me nom jot na me jaye. Those days na me nom jot no. Me no tena ase. Me ba ko na ma bo me jot. So e wo de. So me and you we are on that level. What I say, wo ye nua pani me ye wo nua ketwa. Mtini you from 2017 be seen there. We me yen the brief. Me to me friend oba ba me fie na ma friend say bedi. Enti man yan wo kwota wo me o chairman general na man yan wo say wo hu Kwame plus or one of star boys no I am your ko me no what I say me ma ko university wa brochiri me man me yen wo mo te London wo ba Ghana wo mo plane ticket for some year $20,000 business class vision wo hitro man hu me say one of star boys bi na no that be man yes we suffer obenya problem be start campaign me ko ye 1 year consistent me ko ye yibima me nsiro bi esika consistent 1 year. So don't you see, show me respect, I'll show you respect. What I say? When you show me respect, I'll show you respect. Wo be shia me wo ho no. Asema wo be kan say, wo na wo tata aban no. Tio, se ba kan be shia me Roman Rage or Bismarck no. Wo na wo tata ban na wo kan abuni asensu kan government appointees won asem so mo ye corrupt ne Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no oman bi so anko mo akun dadaada Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no say oman bi so anka ye kun dadaada enti for so many years ye tata atamils ye tata na owu ye kura na ye bema papa na rest in peace kura na ye tata no eno de na eye oman bi so me yenkuyen ye mfa ne sai normal Domama be di president from 20 ye tata and they now support it but me ankasa me nuanom boys ye nya ntokwa ye nyina ye party fo ye nya ntokwa wo be ka kire me say oman bi so anka ekume de dada but wo de wo say utumi tran wo de so utumi tran peace and all the utumi kan NDC asem won your man bi so de anka wo de anka yenkun won as me nua pani yen say bia wo nua bia wo nim ni so ma fa wo nua wo me no like I know you know me ye nyina tena ase before me see Amadia shopping center na ba one shop bi o ho na ye tena na ye boy ye jot But catch them say because of politics intino and then ya wo benye intino no wo interest intino na wo aban aba power intino mo bia nkasa bi o mekasa nka o say o man bia nko to support say me can when people express themselves I will see you kun o what was your senior journalist enu na mami enu na afi na time na so say de bia medi na tem won enya by force o udi matem 10 years ago na mankasa. 10 years later, Miss Smith made you attempt, and your by force would be a mindy will be. Because I would do attempts to do attempt like I say, hey, yente obedieno. Yes, I made the yent, me person why the silence in court, no, my comedy natural. See, as my making too, so greatness if I can say, I may case to say, and yes, say, beer, come a plus on your body fool. Just that Ghana for performing yame my yaw but ye din me ya dear ye but men kasa e wa ban dumum e wo hospital wo baby a nurse nim say no ye no bibewu but
A+. Why honorable A+? O constituency no why did they vote for you? It's to bring what change to the place. O kasa on social media ranting yes so called parliament wakoda and all that. You are no more a social commentator. You are honorable. You are somebody who can make the change. What can now you have the chance to make the change and make it. What's above NDC MP before now? So you have a unique chance to make the change. It's no more talking. Ghanaians, I didn't yepa e kasa. Edu action and nil. But you have a unique opportunity. Say kasa na o kasa no. Let's see something different from you. Yeah, who there? Stop talking. First time we but you know what? Matisa wa kasa bebre. Kasa na hu here. You are now an MP sworn in, member of Ghanaian Parliament. Unima me catch. So stop the ranting and work. Work. If you see something wrong, solve it. Don't come on social media and tell us. Social media is for people like us who don't have power, but you have power now. So don't go about saying let the system work. And this goes to everybody who is now in government. Work. Enough of the politics and whatever. Your career. It's now time to work for Mother Ghana. Mother Ghana is bleeding. Anything that we made a change. Let the change count. And counted there, me and you, we've wasted our time. But I know, so we won't waste our time. Because you will see a timer. Time wait for no man. I expose GHFM members. Who subscribe with the 2 pound now on Sakabi. Manuel, I'm out.
Hello, keep watching Xposed, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.